Hello guys, today I am going to make this video about, and I got this Nerf retaliator here, and I spray painted it like 1 or 2 hours ago, so it's fresh, and I don't have any paint at my house to like do the words. It's all at my school, so I'm gonna wait for tomorrow because today's Sunday. So I can paint this baby up. But for now, here's my paint job. I spray painted it right here, like this exact spot. And I taped off the end for the orange, because you gotta have the orange with this white duct tape. So let me show you guys what it looks getting down the sight. I don't have any mags in it, but any rounds in it. Any darts or rounds or whatever. Like that. Or like that. Like that. So I'm going to come outside here. And I'm gonna take that apart for you guys, so I set camera down right here. Okay guys, here's what it looks like when it's taken apart. So I spray painted each of these individually. Here's my magazine, my mag. I taped off this part and I spray painted this. So I spray painted them individually. It's a really good, I had flat black spray paint. It's a really good paint color. Here's the main blaster. If you guys can see, some of the paint is like scratched off right there from when I cock it. The logo. Here's the blaster itself. Here's the stock. And this took me a couple hours. Or no, it took me like an hour and a half. Maybe because I had to probably because I had to go back and make sure that every single part was spray painted about it. Or every part was spray painted. So I didn't spray paint this, you can see there. I got lazy, but it was going to get scratched off anyway, so I didn't paint it. I didn't paint inside there either. I mean, it probably got in there on accident. And here's the front part. It's a barrel. I mean, I guess it's a barrel extension. Is spray painted this individually too. I taped off both ends, and that tube is like black in there almost. The barrel is like black in there, like you can see. It's red a little, or red and orange. Anyway, so I'm going to put it back together for you guys. And that's pretty much my whole video. I just want to show you guys this new modded blaster. Or not modded, it's just like aesthetics. I had a blue retaliator, so blue and stripe elite retaliator. And I showed it to my sister, and she said she liked the blue one better, but personally, I like this one better. There it is. I'll show you guys.